How long does it take to defrost a frozen lobster?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a crucial step in preparing a delicious lobster dish, defrosting your frozen lobster. Properly defrosting your lobster is essential to preserve its taste and texture. Let's dive into it.
Why is proper defrosting important?
Defrosting is an essential process to ensure that your lobster cooks evenly and maintains a desirable texture. If you cook a lobster while it's still frozen, the outside might overcook while the inside remains cold. The key is gradual thawing.
How long does it take to defrost a frozen lobster?
The time it takes to defrost a frozen lobster can vary depending on the method you use. The recommended method is to thaw the lobster in the refrigerator. This method is the safest and best for preserving the quality of the lobster. It's a slow process, typically taking about 24 to 48 hours.
Is there a faster method to defrost lobster?
Yes, there is. If you're in a hurry, you can use the cold water thawing method. To do this, place your lobster in a sealed plastic bag and submerge it in cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes. This method typically takes about 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of the lobster. However, keep in mind that while this method is faster, it requires more attention, and it's important to cook the lobster immediately after thawing to prevent bacterial growth. Defrosting a lobster is a straightforward process, but it requires time and attention to detail. Whether you're planning a day ahead or need a quicker method, remember the key points: gradual thawing, keep it cold, and cook it immediately once thawed. Now that you know how to properly defrost a lobster, you're one step closer to making a delicious lobster dish. Enjoy your cooking journey!